Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have the box I can't get rid of. New beauty test tube. It came in again. I know I canceled it. I don't know how it keeps showing up. I'm not getting charged for it. So I'm confused. It's weird. You guys will have to let me know. What do you think's going on? Do you think... The only thing I can figure is that I paid for more than I realized that I paid for, and that's why I'm not getting charged for it anymore, and that's why it's still coming. That has to be it. So either way, it's like the box that just won't go away. It's like glitter. Once you get it on you, you're never going to get rid of it. You're going to find it all over the place. This is this box. It's my glitter box. Anyway, let's go ahead and figure out what's inside of here since we have it. Let's see what kind of... Oof. I'm doing a good job cutting. I'm doing a good job cutting here. All right, let's see. Alrighty. Ooh, nothing outside of the box, which is kind of unusual. Usually there's something outside of the box. Not today. All right, it says, we're thankful for you. Gift yourself during the during the season of giving. Don't forget the most important person, you. From hair and body essentials to the most cutting edge skincare, test tube helps you take a minute for the always essential step of care. Okay, so here is our test tube. I guess it's not new beauty test tube. It's just test tube, which I'm sure it's been that way. I just didn't put two and two together. The container itself is actually really pretty. I like the colors. Let's see if they knock our socks off or if we can hold on to them. So the first thing in here is from Be a 10. It says, be a separate mascara. What? I need to find out how to find out prices for this. I don't have my phone. So unfortunately, I cannot find my phone, so I can't figure out how to share with you guys the prices of this. So we're just going to kind of examine the products, and then I'll throw in prices either in the description box or I'll throw it in on the screen. Either way. So let's see what this looks like. Here is the mascara, what it looks like. What is going on at the top here? Oh, it's a teeny tiny little mascara wand. Oh my gosh. Yep, I did that. Okay, so there's a teeny tiny one. And then I'm assuming, is that why it's called Be Separate? Yeah, Be Separate mascara. And then we have a regular, I don't like the wand to this one. I am not impressed by the wand. I don't like that style. You guys will have to let me know. Do you like that style of wand? It doesn't smell like anything. It smells just like mascara, nothing different. So I'll have to try it out and let you guys know if it's good or not. I don't have high hopes for it because I don't like that style of wand. Then we have the Shielded. This is the Safeguard Your Skin. It says Face the Day Purifying Mist. It says results driven, who we are, results driven, technology focused, safety first, clean, modern skincare. Okay. Purifying mist that shields, soothes, moisturizes, and energizes your skin. Close your eyes and spritz evenly across your face. I mean, if you don't close your eyes when you're spritzing your face, I think that's on you. Because I definitely would close my eyes. Let's see. I'm going to spray it over top of my makeup and see what it does. It's probably going to melt it. I'm going to look like the Wicked Witch of the West. Oh, no, I'm not. The sprayer to this is really bad. So the sprayer this sprayed out like somebody gleeked. That's not a good sprayer. Not at all. So I'm not impressed by that. I will not be spraying that over top of my makeup. Next is a Dermala. This is a Patch Me If You Can. Targeted small medium pimple patches. Stops the spread of bacteria, reduces scarring, and speeds healing. 36 patches. I can always use a good pimple patch. I have one here. I have one here. I have one. I have them all over. Let's be honest. I break out, like, just thinking about a breakout, I'll break out. So I am excited to have some more of those. The next thing is the Megababe. This is a space bar. It's a detoxifying charcoal underarm bar. What? BO, control that's out of this world. Activated charcoal, cleanse, detoxifies, reducing underarm odor. So do you clean with that or do you use it like a deodorant? I'm confused. Sunburn alert. Alpha hydroxy acid may increase skin sun and sensitivity. Use sunscreen, protective clothing, and limit sun exposure for a week after using. Are y'all like freaking out by that too? Like, what? Okay. I don't smell anything, so which is a good thing because that's something to keep the smell away. Then we have the It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle H2O Shield. This is just like a deluxe size sample. Nothing, it's not a full size. I'm not sure we have anything full size in here. No, we have the full size bar. Pretty sure these are full size because that's typically how they come like this. This is full size. This is probably full size. This is 2 ounces. So they are full size. This one is, however, not full size. So let's see what this smells like. I don't think I've smelled this one before. I like that It's a 10 products. It smells good. It smells like the typical It's a 10 product. So there's nothing like different about the way it smells. So if you like the It's a 10, the way it smells, you're going to like that. The next thing is from Symbiosis. I'm pretty sure this is an expensive brand. This is the HA2 plus PUL, hyaluronic acid and Pullion. A tightening and resplendent. What does that mean? Resplendent. I don't know. Eye mask. Okay. It says apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Allow to absorb into the delicate skin around the eye area. No need to wash off. Caution. Carry out a patch test 24 hours before first use. Discontinue if redness or irritation occurs. Do not ingest. Sometimes the rules they put on packages just make me like laugh. I'm like, this is an eye serum. Why are you eating it? And then the last thing in here is from Neolastin. This is a Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. Let's see what this smells like. If it doesn't smell good, I'm not putting it on my face. You guys know, oh, that's not true. I do use Paracone MD and they do not smell good. Some of their stuff smells terrible. It smells like nothing, which is good. So it has no smell to it, but here's what the container itself looks like. So I'm excited to see if this is any good or not. Let's put some on the back of my hand because it feels like it might be a little thin for my skin type. I have very, very dry skin, so I'm not sure it's going to be beneficial for mine. Let's see. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand because my hands are really dry right now. Let's see what it does. Is it like magical? Is it going to like turn my hands like really young or something? That would be amazing. Okay, it sinks in very nicely. No smell, like I said. Let's see. It's not sticky. I've had lotions before be sticky on my skin afterwards, and I'm like, no. Ooh, it's got like a powder, like feel to it. Once it dries down, it makes it feel like powder. I don't know if I like that. No, it doesn't feel hot. It feels hydrated. Like my skin feels hydrated, but like when you feel it, it feels not hydrated. Does that make sense? Probably not. I don't know. It's just, it's different. I don't know. I don't know about that. Anyway, that is everything that is in my test tube box. Hopefully this is the last one I get. Not that I'm complaining that I'm getting them. It's just that I think it's a little weird. You guys have to let me know what do you think how I'm getting this box? Do you think it's like chasing me? Or do you think it's one of those boxes where I paid way far in advance and I'm just going to keep getting it until my subscription runs out, which is what I'm kind of thinking, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.